You're being lied to about diabetes life insurance. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to give you what I think to be the number one reason why most people in the UK with diabetes do end up paying more for their insurance. Now, for reference, I'm the managing director of More Than Diabetes. We specialise in helping people with diabetes get financially insured. So this is my opinion. Look, it's not necessarily the insurer's fault. It's the broker you go to get that insurance. Now, for reference, in the UK, if you've got diabetes or a medical condition, most people have to go through a broker. And a broker basically sits in between you, the customer, and all of the insurance companies. And a good broker's job is to obviously find out what you need to do, why you need to do it, and to find out about your health, your diabetes. And then they go away, they do some research, and then they come back and say, look, based on what you're looking to do, based on what you need to do, and based on your diabetes and your other health conditions, this insurer here, this is the one you need to go to. This is the one that's going to give you the best chance of being accepted and give you the lowest price. But the truth is, most brokers don't know what they're doing, and most brokers don't even do that. And most brokers, and I would probably say 99% of brokers, don't know anything about diabetes. So let that land for a little bit. You go to a completely random broker, more often than not like your mortgage broker or someone you found online, who normally doesn't typically kind of do the full service, like that kind of like in-depth knowledge in terms of finding out around what you want to do in your health. But more importantly, he doesn't know anything about diabetes. And so how are they going to know which insurer to put you with? And then they end up putting you with an insurer that was always going to decline you, or always going to charge you 3, 4, 5 times as much, but they just didn't know. And so that's where you hear those stories, like that it costs so much, but it was just the wrong insurer. And that's kind of where we come in, really, is it's actually knowing which insurer to go to. That's the key, that's the difference. And that's my take.